Minasan, konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer desu. In this video, we will explain CONICS section in a way high school or senior high school could understand. Let us do the explanation with the aid of problem solving coming from unstandard problems from given in a high school, real high school situation. So we will explain how to solve it. Okay. So let us go to the problems. In this video, we will first explain the CONICS, which is circle. There are 4 types of CONICS, and one of the very important one is circle. So let us start with the circle. In this activity, we write the equation of a circle in standard form given the following conditions for each and every numbers. So, what is the standard form? So, we have the following standard form. So, this is what we call standard form of circle equation of a circle. So, because we are solving CONICS circle, so this is the standard form. X and Y are known to us. We already know X and Y because we have what? We have the coordinates. We have the coordinate system. Okay? What is the coordinate system? It looks like this. Y and X. So this is the coordinate system. Okay? So we have a graph that looks like this. Okay? So, you will notice X and Y are those variable. X and Y. However, what do we mean by CHK? So, HK is actually center. Okay? Center of what? Center of circle because we are what? We are talking about circle. For example, we have a circle here. So, the center is C. And we have the radius. What is the radius? Radius is the distance from the center to the curve. To the curve, which is what? Circular in form. So, from that center point to that curve, that is the radius. So, this is going to be R, radius. Okay? And at any point here, at any point P, at any point P, around the curve, in the curve, okay, around the curve, the distance from the center is constant. This is constant. That is the definition of circle. If the distance from the center to the curve is constant, that is called the radius, and that radius is actually a characteristic of circle. Okay? So that is constant. If that is constant, that is circle. Okay? That is what do we mean by circle conics. Okay? So there are 3 important characteristic: center, radius, and point P. Point P could be at any point here. Any point here is what we call point P. Okay? Any point in the circle is point P. Okay? So that is what we mean by standard. So this is the standard form wherein we use the center coordinates. What is the center coordinate? H and K. So we have H and K and R. So those are the only thing that we need to uh, know about. And we are ready. We are ready to solve this problem by just knowing that. Okay. Maybe we need to recall the distance formula because there is a distance from the circle, from the center to the point P. There is a distance. And that distance is equal to R if we are talking of circle. Only if we are talking of circle. That distance from center to point P is constant for circle. So, we have to recall previous knowledge of distance formula. Okay? So, if you can recall the distance formula looks like this. Okay? This is the distance formula. So, this is the concept that we are going to use in order to solve all of these problems. So we have problem activity 1 to 10. Okay? So let us review what we have introduced. So we have conic circle, and we are going to use the standard form because it is required by the problem. So we need to use the standard form, and in the standard form it looks like this. The standard form looks like this. We have x and y, where we already know that is the coordinates, and we have h and k, which we know that is the coordinate of center, and r is equal to the radius. Since we are talking about radius, which is the distance from the center to point P, we need to recall the distance formula, which is looks like this. Okay, so all in all, we have to be prepared about these things. Okay, again, this is Dr. DrEYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.